down in the deep blue sea. Lives an octopus as wiggly as can be. He has 8 arms and loves to play. Come on, fishy, swim this way. Ocean friends come out and play. Splash and wiggle all the day. Starfish, sponge, and jelly too, dancing in the ocean blue. A shiny fish with fins so bright swims through coral left and right. She blows big bubbles, glub, 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 and gives the sponge fish a bubbling rub. Ocean friends come out and play. Swim and giggle all the way. Wiggle your tail, show what you do. Life is fun in the ocean blue. Fish hides behind the rock. He's super soft, don't give him a shock. He peeks out slow, then spins around with tiny bubbles making sound. The starfish sleeps on sandy ground with 5 arms spread all around. She wakes up when she hears the song and joins the friends to sing along. Ocean friends, you're bright and cool. You make the ocean our favorite school. With plants and shells and waves that shine, let's play again, it's ocean time.